Tarkwa-takoradi, 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 Tarkwa-takoradi. The state of the Tarkwa-to-Takoradi Road Dualization Project. Come with me on this tour. Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel once again. As we always do, bringing you updates all over Ghana on developmental projects that are changing the face of Ghana and Africa as a whole. Yes, so this video is the continuation of the previous video I posted on the Tarkwa-to-Takoradi Road Dualization Project. Yes, the Tarkwa-to-Takoradi Road project currently ongoing. This is an updated video. This is the continuation of the previous video that I posted. Yeah, so if this is your first time on my channel, kindly visit the previous video to be on the same page with us. Least I forget, if you are a subscriber, I really appreciate you for staying with me throughout all this journey. I am much grateful. If you are also new here, kindly subscribe to stay with me, and I promise you will enjoy this journey. Click on the like button as well, and lastly, do not forget to share with friends and family. And also do well to click on the notification button so you do not miss out update on this developmental project anytime I post a video here. Yeah, so from the previous video, as I was saying, these are the kind of long vehicles that are always on this road. Yes, these are the vehicles carrying the manganese and the bauxite and the other raw materials and the stones and all that. Yes, they are these are the vehicles that ply this road. Yes, so I think the contractor has all these kind of vehicles in mind. Yes, to give us a better road and long-lasting road. Yes. And also, when you get to Tarkwa, there are a lot of mining activities that are going on, and I think it's either the illegal mining, either galamsey or the small scale mining. So this is the river. You could see that I don't really know the name of this river, but you could see the color of the river. You could see that yes, the work is ongoing, either galamsey or small scale mining or whatever activities going on. It's really having effect on the river. Very serious. It's really having effect on the river. You can see the color of the river. You could know that yes, they are really working. This galamsey issue is a very big issue that the government really needs to tackle this to save the water bodies and all that. So from here going on is the old road, so the asphalt not reached here yet. From here going on is the old road that it used to be. You could see that the potholes we then patch them, or you could see. So this is the old road, the previous road. So the construction, the asphalt not reached here yet. Tarkwa-takoradi, 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 Tarkwa-takoradi. But there is one thing that is running through my mind here. I think all these current projects that are going on in the country, I think they all want to be completed within next year. This project, or the deadline are scheduled to be completed next year. I have a feeling we then go do campaigning and those things, That is Ghana for you. So I think all this road will be done by next year, so that the campaigning and all that could run smoothly. Charlie, Ghana for you. And also, this is a 66-kilometer road stretch. 66-kilometer road stretch, and it is costing Ghana about 93 million euros. This project is costing Ghana about 93 million euros. Yes, 93 million euros. Yes, that is the cost of this project. Yeah, so some section of this road are still receiving the covert and all that, so they are still creating the drainage systems. Yes, with heavy covert to channel the rains and the sewage and all that. Another bridge with covert also here. They are also creating another bridge with covert. Yes, just to channel the river or whatever from the other end of the road to the other side. Massive excavation ongoing. Yes, this is also for another covert, another bridge. Yes, another bridge. Tarkwa-takoradi, 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 Tarkwa-takoradi. Least I forget, if you are a subscriber, I really appreciate you for for staying with me throughout all this journey. I am much grateful. If you are also new here, kindly subscribe to stay with me, and I promise you will enjoy this journey. Click on the like button as well, and lastly, do not forget to share with friends and family. And also do well to click on the notification button so you do not miss out update on this developmental project anytime I post a video here. So you could see that in this short while, in this short video, you could count the numerous long vehicles that are using this road. You could see the excavators, you could see the low beds carrying the excavators, and the mining equipment, mining machineries and all that. So Tarkwa is a very, very, very busy town. It's a money making town. Yes, that is the word, money making town. Tarkwa is money. Tarkwa-takoradi, 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 Tarkwa-takoradi. So all this side will be the old road project. All this side be the old road. So you could see that the potholes and everything still there, but then there is a grader grading the road. Yeah, so there is a grader still grading the road. So this is the old road. So the construction really not really catch here yet, but they road top they come. Yes. Massive excavation ongoing. Yes, this is also for another culvert, another bridge. Yes, another bridge. Another bridge with culvert also here. They are also creating another bridge with culvert. Yes, just to channel the river or whatever from the other end of the road to the other side. Okay, so this is a water bazaar. So this is what it does. You know, the road is very dusty. You know, during the construction time, the roads are really dusty. If you followed my first video, you could see that the road was really dusty. Now this is what the water bazaar does. You know, it sprinkles water on the road to minimize the dust and all that. Yes. Okay, so here is the asphalt. So here is the asphalt. So this is what they are doing now. Now they are putting the asphalt on the road. Yes, so this is what the machine does. Here is the asphalt. Yes. Tarkwa-takoradi, 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 Tarkwa-takoradi. So all these vehicles are going to Tarkwa. All these long vehicles, private cars, taxis, passengers, they are all going to Tarkwa. They are all going to Tarkwa. Tarkwa is really a busy town. Tarkwa is really busy. They are all going to Tarkwa. So from this side of the road, you could see that both sides they all have the asphalt. Yeah, so both sides all have the asphalt. I think this is the final stage of the asphalt. Yes, this from this side going, or I think it's ready. Yes, this side is ready. They all have, both sides have the asphalt. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time in my next video.